Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to get this look really quick and easy. First, I'm going to be starting off with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with this red color. It actually has a few shimmers in it, but if you don't pack it, it's not going to really show up like that. So I'm just creating a triangle shape to get that cat eye effect. And then I'm gonna go in with the orange and put that on the middle of my lid and blend that into the red. Next, I'm going in with the yellow from the palette and going to put that in the inner corner of my lid. And with yellow, you really have to pack it on. Yellow is a hard color to get color payoff. So just pack, keep on packing it. And then we're gonna blend everything back together. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. to create the cat eye. Now this takes me some time. I like to do section by section. This makes it where I don't have any mistakes. And then I do my liner thin and then I just sticken it up as I go again because I don't wanna have any mistakes. And this is black, you know, to ruin your whole look if you mess that up. Next, I'm going in with the NYX liner, and I'm just gonna go my under eye. And my Lash Boss mascara, going in on my bottom lashes. And then I'm going in with my Colourpop black liner for my under eye to make that white stand out and look doll-like. And these lashes that I have, they're from a beauty store. This is what they look like, and I'm using Tarte lipstick today. I can't remember exactly what color this is, so I'm just gonna link it in the description box below. And honestly, I don't really like how bright it is for this look. I just don't think it matches, so I'm gonna go in with a darker Tarte red color that's similar. And I guess it's gonna give that ombre effect. And I'm still overlining my lips because I want my lips to look round like a Bratz doll. I'm blending that in. And this is the finishing look. I hope you dolls enjoyed this. And if you recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram at I am Brandi Rose. I can't wait to see you in the next one.